everybody, I'm Pete Vale, Team Principal Matt Stone Racing, running 2 cars in the Australian Supercar Championship. In the background here we've got the workshop where the guys are prepping the cars, and over here we have some memorabilia on the wall showing some of our previous drivers, including the support from SP Tools for a long period of time. We're going to have a little tour now, so let me take you down to reception and we'll start there. So guys, when you come to Matt Stone Racing, this is reception. This is the first area of the building that you come into. It's plastered with bits of memorabilia on the walls, our journey to Supercars, the championship. We've got trophies from past gone years, pictures. Here we have, I'm very proud to have, our Darwin race win and pole position trophies. We've got a team's trophy here and a driver's trophy here. Through these doors, we walk into the workshop. Follow me here. So we're now on the workshop floor at Matt Stone Racing. This is our main workshop. This is where we prepare the cars. You can see car 35, which is Hill's car, and 34, which is LeBroc's car. Various states of disassembly, getting them ready for the next race, being serviced. We've got another area over here, which is our spare parts, building up our spare parts area, getting ready, all being prepared for the next race. Up on the walls we have the bonnets from previous successes. We've got the Shane Van Gisbergen bonnet with the SP Tool logo, and we've got the bonnet from this year, our Darwin victory. Come through and I'll show you some of the rest of the workshop. So this is our fabrication area. This is where the guys can come and fabricate bits and pieces they need or tools they need, such as a bump steer gauge, got a lathe, got welders, got a mill as well, making things like COG ballast for our spare chassis. Through into the composite repair department, our panels department. The boys are working on bits and pieces at the moment, getting parts ready for the next race. This is quite a dirty area. This is why we have it sealed off from the rest of the factory. So from our bodywork area, bodywork repair area, we move into our paint department. We have a paint mixing booth for mixing paint. We also have a spray booth here where you can see we've got our spare chassis part painted in here already. Into the sub-assembly area, and this is the area where the guys service the major parts of the car. Parts like the steering rack pumps, uprights, gearboxes, that all happens in here. And finally we have our truck. This is what we take everything we need to the racetrack in. It's a DAF XF, pulls about 62 tonne of equipment, including the trailers. We've got an A trailer, a B trailer. The A trailer is chock-a-block full of parts and bits and pieces, and we empty all that out and turn it into an office at the racetrack. That's where the engineers stay. Our B trailer carries 2 cars and other various equipment, and that's it. So thanks very much for a quick tour of Matt Stone Racing.